To complete your mystery grid drawing, you will need your mystery grid drawing answer sheet, which is like a picture that has been cut up and scrambled, and there are small numbers on each box to help you figure out how to put it back together. Your worksheet where you draw, you should begin by putting your name at the top. Then you have a lot of important directions on here that are not necessarily on here. So you begin by numbering the boxes in pencil from 1 to 63, starting in the upper left corner. So that's just 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter where you put the number in the box. That doesn't matter. What matters is when you get to the end, you should be at 63. So if you're not, you have gone off track with your numbering somewhere. So that would mean you'd have 9s going down the side here. And it will take a little bit of time, and you will have to focus so you don't skip a number or mess up anywhere along the way, because that can be very frustrating. So when you get to the end, which I did not, you're going to draw the lines and shapes that belong in each box to see the mystery picture. And some boxes are blank, which means when you go to this and you start searching for box number 1, you will look all over the place and you will never find box number 1, and you will be very frustrated. So before I begin drawing, I like to go ahead and mark the ones that are going to be blank. So 1 is blank, 9, 10, 18, 19. So you can see a lot of the edges are going to be blank. Notice you have bonus opportunity if you finish early. You can color your drawing. That means that a lot of people, as they do a box or complete a box, like to get rid of the numbers and make things look nice so that their drawing also looks nice. So what you're going to do is find a box, like a number 2 here, and start drawing it in your number 2 box. Pay attention to where things start and stop. So this starts about 1/4 of the way in, goes up and curves over. Each box shows you how it connects across the line, because this should all connect back together. So box 3 is up here. Notice that these would connect to box 2. So this is going to come and curve all the way down to here. And this piece is going to come down to about the middle of the box and sort of split. I see 2 lines here, so I'm going to include that. Then I need to look for box 4, which is going to be here. So same thing, it's going to start all the way down in this bottom corner and come and then curve back up to maybe about here. And it also has a second line underneath it, sort of wavy. And there's a little bit one happening in the corner here, so I'll see what happens when I get maybe down into 13 and 14. So continue in this way all across until you get to the end. Because it's a mystery, I'm not going to tell you what you're drawing, but I will take guesses in writing for a possible prize. So if you shout it out, no prize. If you figure it out, you write it, maybe cover it with your hand, raise your hand and call me over. If you get it correct, again, you may get a possible prize, but only to the first correct guess. So your job is to finish the whole thing and color if you're done early.